Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make some nice readable text on a background image by using the color fill tool combined with a little bit of opacity on that image. All of this is going to be done in WebStarts. Here you can see what my final product looks like. I have this nice little statement right here, an enchanting romantic getaway. I've got a gradient background and a little bit of a photograph is coming through. Let me show you how I created that effect in the WebStarts page editor. Moving over to the WebStarts page editor, the first thing you'll need to do is add an image. Just click Add and then click Image, then select an image from your file manager and click Insert File. Now that I have my image on my page, I can go ahead and expand it to full width, and then I can drag and resize it the way that I'd like it to appear. Now normally once you add the text to a page, like this text headline right here, and I make that text color white, it's kind of hard to read, so this is where the background fill effect really comes into play. So let me resize this text box just so it fits inside the content guidelines, and then also I'm going to center that text within the text box, and then I'm going to type enchanting romantic getaway. And now to make that text really stand out from the background, what I'm going to do is select the image strip. I'm going to click background color, and then I'm going to choose a fill color. So for this example, I'm choosing a gradient. And so I've selected that, and then after you select that, all you need to do is create a little bit of opacity. So I'm going to make this 25% opaque, and that way you're kind of creating some contrast between the text and the background photo. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website and see more helpful videos like this.